Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, let's talk about the latest update of our wallet, even the latest update of Withdrawal network. This two mining application is one of the best mining application. Like I can say, our wallet, Open Mainnet is coming soon. Even Withdrawal network, the application is going to launch inside Play Store. There are some other news that I will share inside this video. Even we will talk about the quiz answer of our wallet. So don't skip any part of the video. Continue the mining of our wallet within network because this two mining project, the value can be above $1. Okay, now let's get started. So if you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about our wallet, within network, ICE network, Pi network, even about mining application and then cryptocurrency, crypto updates, even about pre-sale projects, so make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while upload a new video. So okay guys, you can see this is the mining of our wallet. You can see this is the application of our wallet. If you don't know how to start with our wallet, make sure check the I button. You can see the link is in I button. Make sure watch the video, start the mining. Because our wallet, the value can be above $1. Even some people are talking about $6. Some people are talking about $10. Because our wallet is one of the best mining project. So if you don't know how to start with that, make sure check my previous video. So our wallet, new application is coming soon. New wallet is coming soon. Like you can see this picture. Somehow more advanced feature like easy user interface, even with a unique idea, with unique design, with beautiful design. So new wallet is coming soon. Even Open Mainnet is coming soon. Stay tuned for our protocol Mainnet launch. Our protocol, we can say our wallet. So the Mainnet launch is coming soon. That's why if still you did not join this application, this is my invitation code on the screen. Although I just gave you the invitation code on the screen, still users are asking for the invitation code. I think you're not watching the video. That's why auto invitation code is just available on the screen, but still you're asking for the invitation code in the comment section. It means you're not watching. Come on man, watch the video, check what things I'm sharing. So Mainnet is coming soon. Big news, big updates coming soon about our wallet. Okay guys, something big is cooking. Something big is coming. Whether it can be about new wallet design, it can be about Open Mainnet. Even I can say in the new wallet, users can transfer the points to, I can say they can transfer their points. According to the points, you will get the token. It can be 100 to 1 ratio. It can be 100 to 10 ratio. We don't know about that. But earning the points, we have different types of reward like daily claim option, even quiz answer, just participating in the meetup and many more things. Daily you need to complete the quiz answer in order to get 100 points. Even 10 to 100 points. If you give the correct answer, you will get 100 points. If you give the wrong one, you will get 10 points, even 20 points. Also, you can see this is the today's quiz answer. So the answer is stable coin. So make sure if still you did not completed the quiz answer, so make sure go and click on quiz reward, and then the answer is stable coin, and then you will get 100 points. One thing I should tell you, by referral you will not get that much reward. So everything you need to do yourself. The points you need to gain yourself. Complete the reward, click on claim now option after 12 hours. So and then we have different types of rewards. Yesterday I just mentioned inside the video. If you don't know, just watch the previous video. So guys, Withdrawal network, as you can see the screen, this is the Withdrawal network. Still I have 13 coin. Okay guys, the value is above $1. Even the value was $3 and now the value is $1.5 because people are selling. Withdrawal network, Withdrawal coin is already available inside some exchanges. That's why users are purchasing and selling. They are just making profit. So Withdrawal network, the application is coming soon inside Google Play Store. I know some of the users are facing problem from where we should download the application. So don't worry, soon we will see the application inside Google Play Store. So again, this project, this mining application is one of the best because the coin is available inside exchanges. You can sell it. But those who mine the coin, so for now distribution is not stored, withdrawal is not working. Okay, don't worry about that. In the future, of course, we can withdraw our coin. We can get the distribution, same like ICE network. So we don't know, in the future we might see some KYC, we might see some verification, so somehow like this, like ICE network. So make sure prepare yourself for that. But now don't forget to continue the mining. This is my invitation code, my referral code, even the link is below in description. Although new listing on decentralized exchange, active drops collect VT network, auto drops 100,000 VT. So VT listing on decentralized exchange, coin market cap, coin gecko upcoming soon. So soon we will see VT network inside coin market cap and coin gecko. Even decentralized exchange listing is coming soon. You know about over wallet. Over wallet Bybit listing is coming soon. Even Bybit listing, even some other exchange listing is coming soon. So that's why don't skip this two project. This project can give you profit in the future. You know, 2024 is the year of mining application. There are thousands of hundreds of mining projects, but some of them are the best, some of them useless, some of them give you the distribution, some of them will not give you, even some of the project, the value will be above $1. Okay, guys, this is all about Witty Network. This is all about our wallet. I hope you understand this video. I hope you like this video. So the invitation code, the referral link is below in description. Make sure check that description. Make sure watch the video properly. Like the video. Still, if you did not subscribe to this channel, make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.